Hey guys, we're going to be installing some Trex deck boards here with their hidden fastener system, and I just wanted to give some tips on what I'm learning as I do this. So the very first row, you use these things called starter clips, and when you're installing your starter clips, you want to make sure that you're giving yourself the right gap. In my case, I have a picture frame, but if this was like the ledger board or something against the side of the house, you need to have a gap. You don't just put the clip directly against it. You need to have, depending on the temperature, a 1/4 or 1/2 inch gap. So in my case, because it's over 40 degrees Fahrenheit right now, I made sure to put a 1/4 inch gap right there. And I'm gonna be doing this every 16 inches on center, and that'll just be for the first row. So once we get this in, you can see that your first deck board with that grooved edge comes in, and it just sits in there like so. So that holds it from popping up or down like that. And so I'm just going to keep on doing this along my joists. Got our starter clips now on all of our joists for the length of this deck board. So now I've also got a nice square cut here, and I'm going to just take this guy and you shove it in and you tuck it underneath all these things. So I'll try to do this off camera, but you guys get the point. We're just going to tuck this. I'm gonna use a mallet, a rubber mallet, just to tap this and lock it into all these little tabs here. And then also we're gonna want to make sure we maintain a 1/4 inch gap right here at our picture. All right, now we're moving on to more standard deck boards with these hidden fasteners. So if you have the Trex tool here, it's pretty easy to use. You just snap in these pieces. You know that there's a little spot right there we're supposed to clip in. So it goes in just like that. And then on the bottom of these things, they give you a bit. This is a T15, but the special bit they give you is a little bit longer than your standard bit. So I recommend just purchasing a tool so you get this plus the bit for doing these installs. And then once you're going, I have that 1/4 inch spacers here. So if I throw one in there and one in here, as this thing grows, you're probably not going to have enough or a long enough clamp. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a speed square, and if you put it to the one that's already fastened down, so this board right here is fastened down, and one end grabs the edge of the speed square and the other one grabs this deck board. So as I clamp this, you guys can see it happening, but it's tightening up this guy as much as we can reasonably make it. Sometimes a mallet also helps. In here, so now these guys are nice and tight at 1/4. So now we've got that. With my joist tape here, I have to just push it down to make sure I'm knowing that I'm on the center. Just gonna push it in like that. And then you're going to take your drill, and then you're going to drill this thing down. Okay, another clip into that guy. Make sure my spacers are happy. When you're about to fasten one, you can see that the gaps here, I don't know if the light shows through, but you just give it a few taps and it'll stay pretty well. So I recommend doing that, and then it's a lot faster. Just kind of go through here, give it a tap or two, and then you push that, screw it in. So one final tip I have fun learning as I put these boards in. So this is about a day's work for me, and yeah, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.